Hey guys, this is a TNT Pro here, bringing you a video. Today I'm going to be playing Fruit Ninja. Just kidding, just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install all money games for free. So let's get into it. First, you have to go here in the apps. I think this works on every tablet, PC, or iPads, because I'm not sure about like laptops and computers. So you have to go here and where is it? It doesn't. Wait like where does yes there? You have to get this. Then here. Then search Aptoide. Unfortunately, this doesn't give any viruses. Okay, guys, then you don't have to install these. Just install the topest one. Yes, it's loading. I think. Yes, there it is. See, guys, this takes 16.84 megabytes. You can download with UC browser, so it takes up less space. But I'm going to download this way. Download it. I can, but I already have. So look at this, guy. I already have this. So that is the way how to install any money game for free. So I'm going to show you. Back. Search this. Search this. Any app you want, like Minecraft, PE. Look. See, guys, Minecraft Pocket Edition for free. For free, I have downloaded it and search like Pokemon Ruby. I'm back. See, guys, all of this you can download. You can download Pokemon Ruby, Pokemon Go. It doesn't even exist in my region. See, if you want to search Pokemon like this. Okay, guys. See, Pokemon Emerald, I'm already downloaded Pokemon Go, Pokemon Ruby, guide for Pokemon Ruby, Pokemaps, Pokemon Ash, Gary, Pokemon Fire Red, Pokemon Fire Red again, Pokemon Shuffle Mobile, and all the stuff. I'm going to show you one more game, then this video is over. This would be my least favorite game of them all. Yep. My least favorite game ever. I would love to install it, but I don't have enough memory. See, guys, and that will be it for today. Next, in the next video, which will be after 1 second, I will show you how. No, I will be playing Minecraft Pocket Edition. Bye.